Vermont is no stranger to flooding, as it is situated in a location in the northeastern United States where flooding is common. Flooding in Vermont can be attributed to several factors, including heavy rainfall, atmospheric pressure, and snow melt. In recent years, the state has experienced some particularly severe flooding, especially in areas around rivers and streams or near the coast. These floods can become especially dangerous if coupled with high winds, which can cause significant destruction to homes and infrastructure. Floods have been known to wash away roads and bridges, and can wreak havoc on homes and businesses. In some instances, heavy rainfall has inundated farms and caused extensive damage. In addition, flooding can cause a variety of health problems, such as gastrointestinal illness, asthma, and other respiratory illnesses. Flooding in Vermont can be particularly hazardous to livestock, as many animals can drown or become ill from the water or chemicals brought by flood waters. In addition, floods can damage crops and create hazardous conditions for farmers and their families. Fortunately, Vermont has implemented a number of measures to help prepare for floods and to mitigate the damage that floods can cause. The state has developed floodplain maps to help identify areas that are prone to flooding. These maps are invaluable in helping local officials and residents plan for flooding events. In addition, Vermont has developed flood control structures, such as levees and dams, to help reduce the impact of flooding. The state also provides assistance to residents and businesses affected by flooding through a variety of grants and loans. Furthermore, Vermont has established a flood mitigation program, which helps to fund projects such as flood walls and other flood control structures. Additionally, the state has conducted extensive post-flood assessments to identify areas prone to flooding and develop strategies for reducing damage in these vulnerable areas. The state also holds yearly public forums to raise awareness of flooding and provide tips on how to protect property from potential flooding. In addition, Vermont has developed a number of warning systems to alert residents to impending flooding, allowing them time to prepare and protect their property. The state has also increased its efforts to educate the public on the dangers of flooding and how to protect their homes and businesses. These efforts have been very successful in reducing the damage caused by flooding in Vermont. Furthermore, the state has implemented policies to reduce the impact of future floods, such as increasing buffer zones around rivers and streams and planting more trees and vegetation in flood-prone areas. The state has also taken steps to strengthen levees and dams to ensure that they remain effective in controlling flood waters. In addition, Vermont has implemented measures to ensure that man-made drainage systems are maintained to reduce the potential for flooding. The state has also focused on the maintenance of stream beds, to reduce the risk of flooding. Furthermore, the state has instituted programs to help residents and businesses cope with flooding by providing assistance in the form of grants and loans.